begin.
Okay. You've probably seen pictures like this for the rotation of the sun, where it's slower at the poles and faster at the equator. But what we're missing is the idea that the sun is traveling in this direction. So to get actual space velocities, what you have to realize is that if the sun is traveling this way, this point besides rotating, it's also traveling this way, and so on. So the actual velocity at any point on the sun's surface compared to space is this way, this way, this way, etc. And you get the idea. At the center of the sun, the velocity is this direction. As we move out, it rotates like